Vashikaran for getting your love back. Now this is a very serious topic that I'm making today because so many of you are contacting the team for this kind of process of Vashikaran, and this is a very recent, or 3 people contacted us very recently, and in fact they were having some arguments with the team about that why you're not doing Vashikaran when you're paying you the money. So I'm really disappointed and angry on this fact because I have given the instructions to my team members that if any such activity happens, just simply block the person and delete the number. Okay, they've been very polite with all of you. Some of you are contacting even for Vashikaran processes, but just because you people think you can spend the money and anybody will do anything for you, then we are not those kind of people. On this team is not into that category who will do such things. Repeatedly, I've been talking about this from last 7 years through YouTube channel, through website. On the website also it's clearly mentioned, in red color with capital letters, that do not contact us for any wrong mediums. We will not sell our morals. I don't understand why you people don't read websites. Okay, this video is especially for people who are contacting us for Vashikaran processes and forcing the team and asking them questions, nonsense questions of why you people are not doing Vashikaran for us. Do you people have any shame left? How can you contact a spiritual person and how can you bully a spiritual team by why you're not doing Vashikaran? And then you're writing nonsense comments. This is the reason I have blocked the comment section of YouTube. Then many of you people ask me and my team that why the section of your YouTube is blocked. Because some people are so ungrateful and so shameless that they will write anything and they will, mention things like, just because they are irritated. Why? Because we did not pick up their work. Their bullshit work. I have to use this term because I'm really upset about this. Some of you do not understand the language of politeness. And what do you people think? That because we are spiritual, we cannot be angry? What do you people think? This is a warning to all those people who are forcing any of the team members. Now your numbers will be traced. Your numbers will be given to the police straight away. This is a warning to all the people who are contacting us for any Vashikaran processes now. I have to come on YouTube today and say this. Because for the last 7 years, we've been barking like idiots about this. That do not contact, do not contact. And when you contact also, then also you have the bloody audacity to tell my team members. You think we are on sale here? All the spiritual people. And people who are watching this, who have contacted us, I'm telling you, I'm warning you now. This is my personal warning to all those people. Do not mess with my team, ever. Do not mess with my team, ever. I'm repeating this. My team member will not take a single bullshit from any one of you. You have the guts, come write a mail, document it in writing, and then talk. And I will send that document ahead, that email ahead. So do not take me and my team for granted. I've been very polite from last 7 years. But you people, some of you are repeatedly doing this. And now this topic is also by the name of never do Vashikaran for getting your love back. Especially for those people who are repeatedly contacting us and bullying the team. What do you think? You can say anything to my team member Ajay? One more call or one nonsense, any comment written on Facebook or any comment written on YouTube channel, which already I've seen blog, there is one video of the karma in which you people come and write comments. Do not repeat it. Otherwise, now legal action will be taken. Straight away I'm telling this to you. Enough is enough. Coming back to the topic. Now, sometimes my just mind just goes off with these kind of people. Now, for all the people who are not aware of, I have made several topics of Vashikaran also previously to this. Okay, some of you may be misguided by your friends or somebody, because these days on internet so many things are available. As per, this get your love back, 24 hours you will get your relationship or your love partner back, etc, all those nonsensical things. I don't want to talk about that. Internet is loaded with such things. Okay, I don't want to name the website. All of you, you know, the moment you type this, Vashikaran or get your love back, you have nonsense things available out there. Okay? So please do not fall for such, stupid things available. Okay? Vashikaran, all this black magic, all this is really, really not worth it. You will be spoiling your life. You will be spoiling your family's life. Everything will be spoiled. Okay? Live a simple life. Live a life with morals. Live a life in which there are struggles. No matter if there are struggles, work hard. You want to go for something for your prosperity, for your betterment, it is okay. Go for the pujas, go for prosperity, remedies or whatever it is. Okay, but there is no substitute to hard work. Always remember this. I've been always saying this. Okay. Now, few things, and I have a question from all of you. That, don't you think that you people are equally responsible for getting these sites or these services available to all of you on internet? People who are already making these sites, all these fake babas and whoever, tantrics and all, okay, why are you encouraging them by contacting them that get Vashikaran done on I want my girlfriend back, I want my boyfriend back? Why are you people so weak mentally? And where is the question now? Where are those educated people gone? Because these people are engineers and doctors and teachers and corporate employees that I'm talking about, who've been harassing the team that why you people are not taking Vashikaran processes. We have the money and we are ready to pay. Now there is no word called as superstition. Now where is all this going? I'm not saying all of you are doing this. I'm typically making this video repeatedly. I'm saying this. Now do not send another stupid comment just because you have to say something on social media that why are you targeting everybody? I'm repeatedly saying this. I'm not targeting those people who are not contacting Vashikaran. This is an awareness video. Okay? This is an awareness video. So now where is the education going for all those people? And do you think love is for sale here? You think you can buy love? Or you think you can just pay some amount of money to some tantric, some stupid person, some idiotic person who's sitting out there in the name of spirituality and fooling you guys, and then you come and cry that this happened and we wasted so much of money and that happened with us and this happened Didi with us. Why am I making all this? Why did I make this YouTube channel first of all? If you will see the introduction channel of Mahakali Vedic in Shweta, in which I have done the introduction, I have clearly said this section of channel is not for any entertainment purposes. Anybody who wants to know the truth, anybody who wants to really understand, what tantra is and stay away from all these evil effects of black magic, those ones should subscribe this channel. Otherwise, please leave and go. We are not looking for subscriptions here. We are not looking for subscribers here or views here. Even if I have 3 views in one video, I'm more than happy. Even out of so many people, 3 of you or 4 of you understand the point I'm trying to make. My target is achieved. I'm not here for any publicity stunt, nor this channel is. Few points I made. So, and you think by doing Vashikaran, you can control the person. You will make the person into a puppet. And she or he will do things according to you. And you claim you people love that person. And you think anybody should buy that thought. You just look at yourself, then what are you thinking? Just look at yourself, what are you thinking? If you are being misguided by somebody, then please, after watching this video, understand that, because see, my team has special instructions to immediately bang the phone off the moment you say, we want to do any Vashikaran services. After giving one line, that we do not do such work. But you will not get these kind of people everywhere. Everybody will be there, mostly the people who have made this site will be there just to, make sure that they take out money from you, they misguide you, they take advantage of you, and then you'll be in trouble and nothing will happen. And look at your own conscious levels also. You think you can just get somebody like this. You really think that's true love. Even if you get that person for that matter, let's assume, okay, fine, some miracle happened, some magic happened, and you got that person. You think really it's worth it to live with somebody who's actually just dancing on your, what do you call, your pointers? That's not love. It's like a robot, you controlling a robot. Why do you want to live such life? Why do you want to go against nature? How can you be so selfish? So, remember this, that do not be so desperate to get any human, okay, by any unnatural means, because this has a lot of side effects, okay. This is part 1 of do not, do any Vashikaran. Part 2 I'm making after this. Because this part 1 was very aggressive. This part 1 was really to the point and assertive. Because sometimes aggression is also needed for some people to understand few things. Now whether you do 100 dislikes on this video, I really don't care. I really don't care. Because if I'm right and I'm making a point, I stand by it. Okay? So followers who will understand this and followers who will take it positively will understand what I'm saying. And people who think they're too smart, so then I've already said legal actions will be taken. Do not contact us for any, unethical processes here. This channel or this company is Mahakali Vedic Shweta is not for any unethical work. I'm repeatedly saying this. And never ever show your money, your loads of money here ever. Okay? And people that I'm referring to, they very well know whom I'm referring to. So that's about it. In part 2, I'll be continuing this video in a much more, I would say things that will help you to understand why I'm saying this. Okay, the reason. So look forward for that part 2. People who are interested, people who are not interested, it's well and good. Doesn't make a bit of difference to me or my team. Okay, so that's about it. Next week, another topic. Till then, goodbye.